full length. Let's say you can keep it 20. When you take measurement, you have to stand straight. 27. Shoulder. I'm taking this way. From the middle to the top. Yeah. 7.25. Okay. Inch. Bust. And 3.4. Then bust hip. Okay. First 0 to 1 is the full length plus half inch. So it is 27 plus half inch, 27.5. That's a straight line. I'm measuring 27.5. Starting point. Then the bust level. Next step is the bust level. It's 1/8 of the bust plus 3 inch. You can calculate it with a calculator. It's 0.75. 3/4 is 0.75 divided by 8 plus 3 inch is 7.59. You can put it 7.5. Okay. Then shoulder. Here it is 0 to 3. Shoulder less half inch. My shoulder is 7.25, so less half inch, 6.75. 6.75. Okay. Here it have to be 45-degree angle between this line and this line. If you keep this type of ruler, this line have to fall on this line. Then when we draw here, it is going to be 90-degree angle. Okay. 6.75.
So this line, so you're drawing 0 to 3.
Yeah, that's
So
a straight line.
That's a straight line,
Yeah.
right?
Again, we will be drawing half inch down here, then we will draw. Then only the slope.
Okay, so
This is a straight line.
Okay.
Or else, if we are not using such ruler, when you are keeping your ruler, this edge have to fall on this line. Then here it will be 90-degree. Okay. Here we have to be 90-degree. Now the bust. 1/4 of the bust plus half inch. So my bust is 0.75 divided by 4 plus 0.5 is 8.6. 6.
9 point.
Oh yeah, 9.7.
9.7.
Yeah, 9.7. You can keep it 9.75 itself. Again the same, here also it have to be 90. So 9.75. Just round it and okay. Now you have to square down from this point. Tip of the shoulder down to intersect this bust line. Okay. Now we are going to draw the hip line. It is quarter of the hip plus half inch. 1 to 6. So quarter of your hip plus 37 minus 37 divided by 4 plus 0.5. 9.75. No much different.
Yeah, it's not going very like.
Still when we wear it will look a line because here it's not going to have any shape. If you feel it's going to be straight, still we are not supposed to make it more loose. It will look odd here if it's too loose. Join the bust to the hip. Okay. Then we are going to draw the neck. The width of the neck is 1/8 of the bust, 0 to 7. 1/8 of the bust. Four 4.5 or 4.6. I put it 4.5. Then here back neck depth is a 3 inch and the front depth is a 6 inch. Okay. Now I am going to curve down. For that I like to do the straight lines. Then when I keep my French curve, I'll know it's a smooth curve, and the curve, this part have to touch this line, then it will be smooth curve. Otherwise when we do, it will be look like V. It will start from this point to this point. It will look like V, some sort of V. If it's a line like this, if we draw a line like this, we will get a much nice shape. Okay, back and the front. You have to touch this line when you are using French curve. For the slop, next is shoulder slop, is ½ inch down from here. So ½ inch down and join this neck to the slop. Then armhole. Okay. For the front armhole, it has to be 1.5 inch here. And your French curve have to pass through. You have to start from this, then it have to pass through this 1.5 point to this tip. So you have to adjust your French curve, and you have to see when we can touch all these points. Okay, so adjust your French curve, then so this is going to be the front, and for the back it have to touch here. It have to start from here, then this line, then okay. One and a half. Yeah. Okay, this is the draft.
How do you do this again?
It's a guideline actually, this one. It had to touch this one, and it had to go to here. So when you are drawing with your hand, it had to be like this, then you can draw through this line. Okay. So when you are cutting, you will be cutting like this. I'll show it to you.